Want to talk about accent walls. What's an accent wall? Well, an accent wall is any wall in your home or business that is a different color than all the other colors. You want to highlight that wall. It might be a bold, deep, dark color. It might be a very bright, vibrant color. So whatever color it is, that's an accent wall. We get this question all the time. Why do you charge more for an accent wall? That's a good question. And the answer is, it takes more work. It takes more labor and it takes more material. So if I'm painting this little room right here in front of me, there's 4 walls and I do 3 of them one color. Now we already bought that paint and I probably have enough paint of that color to do the 4th wall, but you've chosen and decided to use a different color. So now I have to go out and buy a whole other gallon of paint. So if that gallon of paint is $50, that's another $50. It's another trip we have to go to the store and pick up that paint. That's not free either. It's another roller cover. It's another setup, which is a bucket, a grid, which we have here. We bring those out. But it's all these additional costs and it's more labor. So we have to wait for those other 3 walls to dry before we can cut a straight line in where that wall meets the other wall. So that's why an accent wall costs you more.